Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're at question number 170, 170 to prepare for DevOps and SRE interview. That's the point of these videos. So you can be very confident going into an interview that you've covered the most you can cover in terms of studying and questions and nuances and whatnot. Just for your confidence, that's the idea, right? If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It's nothing for you, but it's a big deal for my channel. Thanks for that. Okay, so as you might know that I did research based on LinkedIn jobs, and I came up with 15 top topics for DevOps and SRE interviews based on keywords in the job descriptions. And the one that you see in the top, like cloud, AWS, and CI/CD, and GitHub performance, those are more important than the ones at the bottom, like containers and system design. However, these are from 35 job descriptions. So as you can see, even the 15th one, system design, came up 17 times. Actually, I don't know why this slide is different. Actually, it doesn't actually show you the word counts. But anyway, it came up 17 times from 35, so they're not negligible. You should focus on the top ones, but you should touch a little bit on the ones at the bottom. Okay, today we're on number 12, topic number 12, Terraform. The question today is, why do we need a provider in Terraform anyway? What is the purpose of having a provider in our Terraform code? So before I get there, my career advisor, Flight Spencer, his website is here, flightspencer.com. I'm not financially affiliated with him at all. He's very passionate about helping people who are in the job market. He's giving away 1 hour session free for anybody who's in the job market. So please take advantage of that. Okay, so the question is, Terraform actually doesn't do anything directly with the providers. Like, so when we write a simple code for, let's say, for an EC2 instance, and we do a Terraform plan, Terraform apply, Terraform actually is not the one who's actually making those resources, right? It's interacting with authentication that you provide, right? In the provider section, as it turns out, it sends commands to the APIs. It makes calls to the APIs for AWS to say, hey, here's my authentication. Create me an EC2 instance of this type, with so much memory, so much CPU, blah 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 blah. This is the type. This is the image. Give me a resource. That's what the provider is for. It's in between your code and your cloud provider. So same thing is happening when you're doing it with Google or Azure or anything else. That's the job. Now, using the same idea, you can do other things with Terraform code as long as you have a provider for it for other things that are non-cloud. Let's say PagerDuty or HashiCorp Vault, or even doing local things on the machine, Kubernetes, external things like running SSH command on the EC2 boxes. There are other things that are somewhat special, like random and null, but that's more advanced concept. But anyway, using these providers, as long as they exist, you can interact with even other tools that are not actual clouds. You can do that. So that's what provider does. It sits in between the Terraform code and the API of the actual cloud and whatnot. All right. If you have any specific question, you can find me on LinkedIn. I will do my absolute best to give you answers, or you can just leave a comment here. All right. I hope you found this useful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.